Hey everyone, Jason back again with TackleShare. Today we're going to be unboxing the Panfish Lucky Strike lure box, and this will be going away to the August winner of the Fish Along with TackleShare initiative. Let's get into it. We have two small panfish sized crankbait. They are 1.75 inches. Words are difficult. One is a brook trout design, and the other one is just a bright fluorescent yellow. Earlier this summer, I actually caught a bass with the perch design of one of these plugs. It was a decent sized bass too, so even though it comes in the panfish box, these can be used for larger species of fish. We have a brook trout colored spoon here, 2 inches. I really liked using one. A little bit different of a design, but very similar size and shape. I lost it. Always sucks, but it happens. A 2-pack of glow-in-the-dark spoons. I have tried these out. The white spoons there, they do glow green in the dark. It's actually pretty cool. There's a yellow spinner here. It's got a weight on the end, so this would be for a little bit deeper water. Pretty small. You might be catching some larger panfish on something that size. We got 2 spinners. There's no hooks on these, so you'd have to attach them yourself or add a different lure to the bottom of them. There's a white and blue glow-in-the-dark spoon here. Glow-in-the-dark is always very exciting to try out. A little bit larger spoon here, spinnerbait. It's got these, I don't know what to call them, torpedo shapes almost on the part between the spoon and the hook. Get some movement, get some rattling in there. There's a watermelon spoon here. A white and red and steel spoon. A 2-pack of neon green worm harnesses. And finally, a pack of split rings to attach to the end of your lures if they need them. That's everything in the box. Let's go out in the water and try them out.
Don't forget to send in your fishing photos to be entered in our monthly Fish Along with TackleShare draw, where you could win this or another Lucky Strike lure box and other great fishing gear. Submit your photos online at TackleShare.com/virtual-fishing.